Hi foodies, heartily welcome to our channel Cravings Feed Your Feelings. Usually, we all keep thinking how to use the leftover rice. So, present your leftover rice in totally different way. Hina brings a very exciting recipe which you easily share with your loved ones. Firstly, note the recipe. This recipe, firstly we need paneer, as no one can say no to paneer, right? We need the grated paneer. Here we have grated this paneer. In this grated paneer, we'll add ginger powder, some oregano, this is optional. If you like, then you can put it. We'll add some spices, here goes chili flakes, black pepper powder and to taste salt. Next we'll add cheese, also in grated form. The people who are more conscious about their health, for them also nothing matters when it comes to cheese, right? So let's cheese. So after cheese, next goes sweet corn and mix everything well. And let's play with the leftover rice now. In a bowl, take leftover rice. Here I have used Zeera rice, which are day old. To make it kids friendly food, add mayonnaise in good amount, tomato ketchup and chili sauce. To bind the rice, we have added everything in sauce form. Now mix everything well. So we'll add black pepper powder in rice also and mix it well. Let's move to our assembly part. For assembling, we need the bell pepper. Cut it in half and remove the seeds from inside. Here I have used red and yellow bell pepper. These red and yellow bell pepper are not bitter like green ones. Green bell pepper are mainly used as veggies and red and yellow are used for salads. So I recommend you to use these bell peppers for this recipe. I am removing the stem from this so that it can stand properly. Now let's brush oil on baking tray and place bell pepper on it. First, we'll put rice mixture in half cut bell pepper and spread equally and press it. Same way we'll do with others also. Now we'll layer it with paneer mixture. Same way, spread it over rice mixture and press it equally. And repeat the same process for other bell peppers. It's time for some more cheese. So let's say cheese. Cheese on top of it will give beautiful texture and taste it amazing. Now it's ready to bake. Here I have preheated my oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. We'll place the tray inside and grill it at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. As our rice is already cooked, so we have to cook until bell pepper becomes soft. And paneer will cook under cheese fastly. If you don't have oven, don't be sad. You can make this recipe on tawa. Heat the tawa and place stuffed bell pepper and cover it and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes on medium flame. Serve it hot, this amazing recipe, and enjoy. Hope you enjoyed my recipe. Do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Be safe, be healthy and keep eating. Thank you. Bye-bye.